Alright, so we'll go in. This is the bad cell. I'm just gonna unsolder from it. There you go. So I'm just gonna cut it like normal. Alright, let's make sure that's the bad cell, so we want to cut it where the solder side stays on. Alright, so there's the solder side. Now we're gonna need to do the same on this side. We'll leave the solder side. Well, I guess this isn't going to show you anything other than ghetto, but we're going to make it work. So we got the bad 4 cell out. What I'm going to do is just something like that and try to bridge it. There we go. That's going to work, I think. Try to make the 2 puddles meet. It's just so hard to get the aluminum to stick to itself, and I haven't done any of the stuff I was gonna do. I was gonna scrape, but I think we got it. You're supposed to scrape it and whatever, but it just never sticks. But I think we have enough here. There we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So that's 4. So we're gonna need to go with the 5. It's gonna need to go here. And then on this particular battery, we're gonna have to remove the red one because we shifted everything over. Alright, so I've never actually done this process before, so we shall see if it works. Yeah, I got way too much solder in there, I knew that, but that's a pretty good, not good, but I think that's a usable joint there. We're going to put some extra on there. There we go. That's for sure a cross joint now. Now we'll do our standard cutoff of the end. But that should do it right there. We'll go ahead and plug it in. There we go, it worked. I had never done that before, but the point being, let's see if I can find some aluminum to try to solder to after I button this one up. Alright, well there's how you remove cells from the middle or from the end, which I had never done before. So I'm going to go ahead and put that over like that.